Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 4 challenges, let's take up our 5th challenge now, which is use feature to organize options. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our app launcher. So here we are just going to click on Salesforce CPQ. So it is mandate that you have to complete your first challenge to crack this challenge as well. So here we are just going to click on a products tab and change the list to all products. So in this search list, I'm just going to search for security. So here just choose the security console and switch to related tab. And next to features, we are just going to click on new in order to add our product feature. Let's copy our feature name, which is given right over here. Copy this and paste it over here. So for number, we are going to give it as 10. So for minimum option, we should make sure it is given as 1. So once if it is done, click on save. And here if you scroll down, you will find this 14 number, which is option name. So next to this, we are just going to click on drop down followed by edit. So here in feature, we are just going to add authenticators, which is right over here. So once if it is done, click on save. So we have done the modifications for interior batch reader. Let's do it for exterior batch reader as well. So click on drop down followed by edit. So in feature, we are just going to add authenticators. So once if it is done, click on save and repeat the same steps for interior keypad as well as for exterior keypad. So click on edit, add the feature, and now click on save. So let's do this for exterior keypad as well. So choose edit, add the feature, and now click on save. So guys, now let's go to our accounts. So here just choose the edge communications. So if it is not visible, you can also keep this for all accounts and then you can choose it. So once if it is done, go to related tab. So here you will find opportunities with security system for new office location. Just click on it. And under codes, you will find this code number. Just make a click on a code number. So guys, here we are just going to edit lines. So just click on edit lines. Let's add our products now. So instead of clicking on this drop down, I'm just going to make a click on add products directly. So once if it is done, in search products, I'm just going to search for security and click on search. So here we are going to add security console. Check this followed by select. So guys, here we are just going to choose exterior keypad. So choose this checkbox followed by save and click on save again. So hopefully we are done with this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.